Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's Hila here from Saturday Night Stitch. So today's post, I want to talk about men's sewing. So there's this pattern that I really like, which was the first shirt pattern that I ever made for my husband, and it's McCalls M6044. Now I've made this 5 times, including the 12, and each time that I've posted it on my blog, I've always received emails from people asking me to do sew-alongs and to talk more about sewing this pattern. So finally, after about 18 months, I'm actually doing something about it. So today I managed to get my husband to agree to be a model and actually model for you guys the first 4 shirts that I ever made using this pattern. And then stay tuned until the end so that I can tell you more about the sew along that I have planned. much for being a model for the McCalls M6044 patterns. I'll just show you the pattern cut envelope. And so that's the pattern sew along that we're going to be doing over the next few weeks or so. Okay, so my husband has chosen some has chosen some fabric. Okay, now tell me what you like about this fabric.
Well, I like the fact that it's a Star Wars print and it has stormtroopers on it.
Okay, hang on while we just do a close up. Like stormtroopers. I'm a stormtrooper.
Come closer. It's yeah, but it's very understated and minimal. So most people wouldn't notice from far away. So I quite like that because I can go to work wearing stormtroopers on May the 4th. And
yes, so I have a deadline. I have to finish this shirt by May the 4th because apparently that's Star Wars Day. So there's a deadline for you. Okay, so and tell us about this black fabric. What do you want?
It's black.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay.
And the idea is it's going to have some sort of piping or something around the edges.
Piping?
Is that right?
No. So he wanted piping. So he wanted piping along the button bands and along the collar, but I was like, no way, because I'm not yet at that stage where I can do piping on button bands and collars. But we basically compromised, i.e. I said the only thing that I could do was do a black button band and possibly a black collar, but also a black pocket for it. So is that agreeable?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. So we still have to decide on buttons, but hopefully we'll figure something out by May the 4th, Star Wars Day. I think that's going to look nice. I'm going to be doing a sew along to sew up the McCalls M6044. So I'll start off, for those of you who might only be trying this out for the first time, I will do a video about making a toile because it's important to make a toile to make sure that it's going to fit, because if you're going to spend all that time and effort that it will take to make the shirt collar and the button plackets, it's quite important to make sure that it's actually going to fit whoever you're making it for. So I'll do a quick video about making a toile and sort of a few common adjustments that you might have to make. So I'm looking forward to making this. Are you looking forward to wearing your shirt?
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh, quick question before we go. Which one's your favorite McCalls shirt that I've made for you?
It's got to be the squids.
Squids?
Yeah, all the tentacles and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Okay, alright. So, squids. Squids it is, apparently.
So far, this might trump it.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to see. Oh. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. And until I see you again, happy sewing! Bye!